Students who are in the online. Am I audible, students? Okay. So let us move to the further. Last session, what was completed? Oops, completed. That is the polymorphism principle was completed. Now it's a time to see to go to the next topic. So next topic, I will go for it. A very short topic, which I want to introduce in today's session. That is dealing with date and time. Dealing with date and time in the class. So let us start working with date and time. What exactly date and time in the Python? So here, date and time is not a data type in Python. First of all, date and time is not a data type in Python. So date and time concept is not a data type. So is not a data type. Is not a data type. So it is going to be available in the form of a module. So I'll directly write it. Module name I will write it. What is the module name? Date time. Module name contains what? Class names will contain. What are the class names present in that? Date time class present. Next is called one more class is available called what? Date class is present. Date class is present. Under the date time class, there are some methods are available. These are the classes available. What is the module name? Date time. Come on, spell out. Date time. Next is what? Class name is date time class, date class, date class. In the date time class, in the date time class, we have some functions are present. We have some functions are present. I will explain those functions for you perfectly. So number one function is present. What you know, strf time. Strf time is present. strp time is present. strp time is present. And there is one constructor is also present. That is a date time class is present. Date time constructor is present. This is about date time and the date time of and this one. And one more is also there. ISO format is present. What is the purpose of all of them? I will explain it. And there are some attributes also present. These are all called what methods? These are all called what methods? Class methods. These are all called class methods. And also some of them are called instance methods are also present. Instance methods also present. I will explain them through an example here. Some attributes also present. Some data members also present. What are the data members will present? I will go for inside of it. I am explaining year. Next is called what you know month. Next is called what you know day. Next is what is present hour. Hour. Next is present you know minute. Next is present second. Next is present you know microsecond. Microsecond. These are the attributes present inside the data members present in the class called what? Date time. Even in the date class also, even in the date class also, one more function also present. What is the function now? One more also now. The date class I will take it. Date. Date class this is. In the date class, there is one function is present called what you know. In that there is a function present called today. Today. And there are also data members will present. These data members also will present. This is also going to be known as what method? Class level method we can call. So let me go for this. What we are learning as a part of it. I'll start very simply. Try to follow it carefully. So what is the module name? Come on, everybody. Come on. Date time. What is the class? How many classes are there? Two classes are there. What are those two classes? Date time class and that class. Right. Date time class is the class present in which module? Datetime. How do you access datetime? How do you access datetime? Hmm? How do you access datetime? బయట గట్టి గట్టిగా అరుస్తా ఉంటారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు. ఎప్పుడు కూడా పొలైట్గా ఉండాలి, చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉండాలి. హ్మ్? ఎప్పుడు కూడా గట్టిగా మాట్లాడకూడదు. వెన్ సంబడి ఆస్క్ అవర్ ఐడెంటిటీ, యూ హావ్ టు షో వాట్ ఇస్ దేర్. వై ఆర్ యూ ఆస్కింగ్ లైక్? నో, నాట్ ఓన్లీ హియర్, ఇన్ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ ఆల్సో we have to be very polite. That is our dignity. That is our decency. If you speak with a big voice, if they started big voice, it's unnecessarily fighting. It's not correct. Correct? Mm. Now coming to one incident is that నిన్ను చూస్తే నాకు ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ గుర్తొచ్చింది. నేను two incidents I want to tell how we must be polite. One incident I have seen between two people. One incident happened with me day before yesterday, I hope so. While I am coming on the road near Secretariat, this is a road, and beside me one person is going. And here when I am coming, there is some water is there here. Already raining. Morning, 7 o'clock I am talking about. It's raining. It is going. There is some water is there inside. When I am coming, my suspense that is. Nothing is there. And how girls the situation. Come to the point. Now here, date time is a class of which module? Online students, are you listening? Are you listening? Online students, what I am saying? Uh, so try to persuade that. Ignore that. Now, coming to something like that. Date and time is a class of which module? Datetime. How do you access module name dot class name? So how do you access this one? Come on. Datetime dot datetime. What is the datetime module? What is the class name? In that, what is the function name? Now. Now is called what method? Class method it is. Class level method it is. How do you call? How do you call? Datetime dot class dot now. Datetime class is a class present in which module? So what is the full access now? Full access statement. Datetime dot now. What is the now? Class level method present in which class? Datetime class of which module? So this will give you complete date, complete date with the time will be coming. Complete date and time will be coming. When you go to banking, transaction data, when you go to companies, project scheduling, project releasing date, journey, return journey, date of joining, date of retirement, they are all dealing with the date and time or not. That time we need to use in our programming date and time kind of concept. So I will go to the Python environment and I will show you now. Go to the Python environment here. So go to this program, go to this place. Here I am trying to write it. In this place, I will take little bit here. Small Python program I am writing. Program for creating. Come on. Program for creating date and time. Date and time. So how do you go for it? Come on. Import date time. What is the date time? Module. Module. Come on. Now create a today's date. Today date is equal to date time. What is the date time? Module dot date time. Date time. What is the date time? Class dot what? Now. 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 You can also write this as what? From date time. Import date time. What is this time? Module. What is this date time? Class. As what? DT. What is the DT here? Alias name for which class? So what is today? DT dot now. DT dot now. Like this also you can write. You can also write as what? Import date time as dt. What is the dt? Alias name for whom? Module. What is now? Today's date is equal to dt dot date time dot now. Now, these many ways are there. Are you following? So now I'm going to this way. If you want, this way you can do it. I will show you if you want, I will show you that way also. Printer. What is this today? Today, today, date. Today, date is equal to comma what? TD. TD. Now I will go to what is this now? Date time example 1.py. Date time example 1.py. Go to the place. Here I am going to take up. In this case, what will happen now? So 11 a.m. I will take it. Date and time. Date and time. There I will write it in this place. Date and time example dot py. Online students, CMD, CMD. Here I will write it. E colon. Here we are. Python and say 11 a.m. Date time. I'm going to write it. Execute. Py date time. So what is happening now? See the date time, 4 Ys, month, and then date. This is the format of what? 4 Ys, and next is what? Month, and next is what? DD, and the next hours, next is called minutes, and next is called seconds, next is called microsecond. Microsecond. This is called the complete information about that. I will print in our own local format also. What is the local format? 01, 11, 2025. 2025. You can also print 01, 11, 2025. Like this also I can print. I'll show you a lot of information for you. Are you getting me? Right. You are understanding how to create a date. Now, I don't want the time. This is called the date we are going to get it. This is what you are going to get the date. So carefully follow me. Second example I am taking students, online students. It's a very easiest class today, keeping a very easiest class. Now I'm going to take up. This is my today's date. Now I want to go for present, creating a date and gets but miscellaneous information like what? Year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, like that. I'll do some calculation on that. So I'm going to write it. Come on, print off. What is this now? Come on, fast. Year is equal to, I'm going to write it. Attributes I said. Did you remember attributes? Which class? Date time attribute. This is called which type? TD. Type of what? TD is equal to type of what? TD. TD. Type of TD. So I'm going to write it 2.py. 2.py. What is the type of TD? Date time class. Date time class. Go to E colon 11 a.m. Under that date and time. Under that I will take. Here I'm going to write 2. So I say py. So date time. This is going to come which time? TD is which object? Date time class of which module? Date time class. Like reader class of CS, we will give you what? Reader class. Writer class of CS, we will give you writer class. Like that, filter function gives you an object of filter. Like that, it is going to give you date time object. So what is the function name? Now we'll give you an object of which class? Date time class. So I want to print the information, miscellaneous information I want to print. Print it. \t. Year is equal to, what are the miscellaneous information I said? Year, month. These are all called instance data members. How do you call instance data members in which class? Date time class. How do you call it? Come on. TD dot ER. TD dot ER. Like a row count dot, cursor dot row count, cursor dot description, A dot real, A dot imag. A is called which object? Complex object. Execute that, execute that. You are going to get what kind of thing? Year. What is the year here? 2025 separately. Next, I will go to quickly. Come on, fast. Backslash T. Come on. Month is equal to TD dot what? Month. TD dot month. Today only you have to get it immediately. What are these all? Instance data members inside the class. So what is the month is printed here? 11. 11. Next I want to print what? Print of what? Day. Print of day. Day number I am going to take. TD dot what? Day. Day. Day is also called what? 1. 1. Now I want to go for what? Hours. Minutes. Now I will write all of them at once. Backslash T. Hours is equal to TD dot hour. TD dot hour. Print of what? Backslash T. 1. Minutes is equal to comma what? TD dot what? Minute. Minute. Minutes no. Print of what? Backslash T. Seconds is equal to comma what? TD dot what? Second. Next I will go to what? Backslash T. Microsecond. Microseconds is equal to TD dot microsecond. Microsecond. Save this code and see the answer now. Hours is called what? 11. Minutes is called 38. Seconds is called what? 42. And microseconds is called this much. Is it clear? Right? Done. Online students, are you following this? This is called the simplest significance of which one? How to get the date related information. Sir, I don't want to get the time, sir. I want to get only date, sir. I want to get only date. I don't want any kind of time. I don't want time, only date I want. So for that, there is one more type of class is there. What is that class name called? Date class. Of which module? Datetime module. How do you go for it? Come on, go. Next program. Go to others. Here I'm going to write it. Come on. Date. Example.py. Program for creating only date but not time. Come on, fast. From date time import. Come on, date as what? DT. DT. Today's date is equal to DT dot today. Today. DT dot what? Today. Today. Today is called what? Instance method of which one? Today is called one instance method of what? A class level method of which class? Date class. Today is called one of the class level method of which class? Date class. So this place it is DT is a alternative name for class name. DT dot today of. Now I am going to write it. Today I am going to write it is equal to comma TD. There I am writing here. What is this? Type of TD. What is the type of TD earlier? Date time class. Today is what type? Date class. So just to look at that date example1.py. That is date time example.py. Online students. Very simple. Don't take much time. Py. Here I am getting today date class. Module is date time. What is the today? This one. Only date is available. How do you get the other attributes of the same? From previous place? I will get up to what? This place only I will get it. This place only I will get it. This place only I got it. Year I got it. Month I got it. Day I got it. Day I got it. So I'm going to run this code. Save this code. Here I'm going to write it. So I got it. Year I got it. Month I got it. Day I got it. Are you following me? So there is no time. There is no time. There is no time. So that hours, so minutes, so microseconds will give you what error? What error? Attribute error. Very good. Attribute error will be coming. Attribute error. Beginning only. Date object date time module dot date class has no attribute called hour. Hour is not there. So you are going to get a hour is not there. So this is not possible to apply. If you can apply up to here only. Clear? Right. Online students, next I'm going to enter into, okay, date and time you are creating. That is everything is perfect. Now I want to find out some extra information I'm going to introduce. So we know how to create a date and time kind of thing. So with this program, you are understanding how to create date and time, how to get its information. You are understanding how to get the date and time information. You are getting it. One more kind of small example I want to go for it. For example, carry this entire thing, students, follow me. Here I'm going to get it. Small example I want to go for it. Today's date you are getting this entire thing perfect. This is I'm going to write it 3.py. 3.py. Date time example 3.py. So got it. Now py. This is the one I got it. This is my today's date I got it. Today, what is the day name? What is the day name? Come on. Saturday. This is today's date is called what? Saturday. I want to print a Saturday. I want to print a Saturday. This is called a full version of the day. I want the short version of the day, SAT. Either I am interested to print Saturday or I want to print SAT. How to print this day name also? I want to print. Are you getting it? I want to print. I want to print in an year 365 days or 366 days will be there. So which day? November 1st is which day? November 1st is which day? Is it 265 day or 260th day or 270 day? Which day number today? In an year there are 52 weeks are there, right or not? In that 52 weeks, which week you are in? You are in 40th week or 50th week or which week you are in? Week number I want to get it. Are you AM or PM? Are you AM or PM? I want to go for it. Like that, there is some miscellaneous information is present. That miscellaneous information, I want to show you some list of format specifiers are there. What is the function name I'm going to have it? Date time object, date time object dot. There is a function name called what? strftime. చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. strftime. There you are going to specify format specifier. Format specifier. That will be preceded with percentage and all those things. That will give you, there is a lot of legal format specifiers are available. Around 15 to 20 format specifiers are available. That you have to remember. I'm showing one documentation for you. Try to observe. So here I'm going to print td dot datetime object dot, what is the function name? strftime of, within the double quotes, close. There I will write it percentage of capital A, which will give you what? Day name completely. Observe now. I'm going to say execute here. This one you observe it. What is coming now? Saturday. Small a, I will write it small a. Small a I am writing. It will give you what? SAT. Now I will write a capital B. Capital B I am writing. What will come you see? What is this now? What is the November? Month name. What is this 11? Month number. What is this November? Month name. Small b I will write it. Small b I will write it. What is coming now? NOV. This is a full version. This is a short version. This is a full version of the day. This is a short version of the day. Are you getting it? Next, I will write it small x. Small x, I will write it. Small x. What is coming small x? 11, 0, 1, 25 is coming. Earlier, it was printed something like this. Month, day, and 2025. I will write capital I. Capital I will print. What is coming capital I? Month number is coming. Small I will write it. Small I will write it. It will give you invalid format specifier. So what is valid, what is invalid? I'm going to show some format specifiers. Can I show you now? So I'm going to write it something like this. You students, you are going to get something like this. So this one, I'm writing percentage x. I will write it. Small x. I will write it. Small x. I will write it. It is going to give you something like this. Are you following? So in simple word, I'm writing percentage d, percentage I, percentage I, percentage capital Y. I will write it. Capital Y. Capital Y will give you 2025. 20 is a century name, 25 is a year name. You execute it, you see what is coming. 01/11/2025. You write a small y only, it will give you only century will be given 20. That is called without century, that will be coming. Are you following this? Like that, there are a lot of format specifiers are there. Can I show you a lot of format specifiers? Now I am going to show you. Online students, this is a dead easy class. Not at all going to be a difficult. But it is an easiest class. So I will go to date and time. I will open one small explanation for you. Look at directly. Start. Hmm. Don't take much time. Percentage A. Already percentage A. Come on. Wednesday. What is this is called? Short version. Percentage A will give you what? Weekday. That is a short version. That is WED. For example, if it is Wednesday, I took a example called Wednesday. Today what will come? SAT. You have seen already. Percentage capital A. Weekday full version. That is called Wednesday. Percentage W. Weekday as a number. How many weekdays are there? 0 to 6. How many? 7. 0 to 6 is 7. So 0 is what? 0 is a Sunday. Beginning to Sunday. Sunday number is what? 0. Monday is 1. Tuesday is 2. Wednesday is 3. 3. Percentage what is this? W. Percentage D. Day of the month. That is called 0, 1 to 31. Maybe 30 is there, 31 is there. I'm going to take 31 for that day. What is the example I prepared it with a 31 for example. Next percentage B, month name. What is this now? Short version DEC. Today is what? November. NOV. You got it. Percentage capital B, month name full version. Percentage M, that is month, 12th month. Percentage Y, year short version without century 2025. Percentage capital Y, year full version. Are you getting up? So this is called what? Format specifiers for day, day short. Next is called weekday full version, short version, month full version, short version, year short version, year full version. This is related to the month, day, and then year full version, short version. Coming to time, time related. Capital H, small capital H will give you what? 24 hours format. 24 hours format. Your railways, you take it. The journey time will be shown always in 24 hours. 0 to 23. That is 17 hours. 17 hours and evening 5 o'clock. Right? 17 hours. Next, percentage capital I. Hours. 0 to 12 hours format. That will give you what? 0.5. Percentage P. What is that P? AM or PM? Now it is evening 5 o'clock is what? PM. Next percentage M, minute. What is the minute? 41 minutes. Percentage S, capital S, 0 to 59 seconds, 0.8 second. Percentage F, microseconds. This is a seconds still. This is a microseconds information. This is called hours related. Actually, most useful thing is this week, month, etc. kind of thing. I think you are following it. Online students. And this is not a big deal. Only thing is big deal is how to remember, that is a big deal. If you start shouting on somebody, your remembrance will go. If you shout on somebody, you will get some tension in the brain. Always you must be cool because you are having a lot of work. If you fight with somebody, that entire day will disturb or you have a lot of work now. If you are free, you fight. Correct? Will you fight? You should be cool always. సో అందుకనే చెప్పారు మనం ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలో ఎక్కడ ఏందది ఏందది ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలో ఎక్కడ నెగ్గాలో తెలుసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. కరెక్టా? ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలి? మనకు అనవసరమైన దగ్గర. ఓకే. ఎక్కడ నెగ్గాలి? ఎక్కడ యూ టు రైస్ ఇన్ సబ్జెక్టివ్ రైస్, బట్ యూ డూ రివర్స్. అందరూ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. వేర్ యూ టు రైస్ ఇన్ సబ్జెక్ట్. అవుట్ సైడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లుక్ లైక్ ఎ ఇన్నోసెంట్ పర్సన్. ఇన్నోసెంట్, వెరీ ఇన్నోసెంట్. But when you come to the class, should be like a good professional. Outside you have to think like a innocent. So others will not focus on you more and more. You read some books. Hmm? ఈ బుక్ చదవడానికే టైం లేదు. ఫర్ రీడింగ్ పైథాన్ బుక్ ఓన్లీ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్. వాట్సాప్, దట్ దిస్ ఎక్సెట్రా యూ విల్ డూ. ఓకే. ఎనీహౌ, come to this I will write it for you instead of typing that entire thing. What I do is, my dear students, if you follow me, I will try to show you some small program. This is no. Instead of typing it, don't think that this is only written by me only. This I want to take up. Some point I want to show. This place I will take it. Here, this also I don't want. I will explain to you separately this one. This I will go. Date example 2.py. Also I don't want. This I will try to bring out. So this also no. Until it opens, I will open all the things. Come to this place now, students. Here I am going to take up. In this case, I am trying to take up one small program here. So I am going to take up. This is called what? Weekday. This entire legal format special. Weekday, weekday, short version, full version. How many are there? Related to week, week number, next day, month, all those things I'm going to take it. Almost how many are there? 3 and 6, 9 are there. Here I'm having what? Almost 9 are there. Almost 9 are there. This is comes under what? Date. In that, what will be there? Week, week. Next is called what? Day, month, and next is what? Year. Example 1.py. This is a complete information is coming. So I am going to take up that. You try to put it in your place. Here I am going to write it. You put it into your folder. It's a very easiest class, not at all a difficult, because you have seen lot of programming. And how we create it? Datetime, datetime, datetime.now. If you want as a DT, you can write it as what? dt.now. dt.now you can say. Now, are you seeing this percentage A, percentage capital W, all of them? This is the first part of it I am taking. These things I am writing as it is. These things I am writing as it is over there. Because instead of typing everything from me again, it will take a lot of time. That's why I'm taking my previous program, which I was explained already. So PY, I'm going to take it. So it is going to give you what? Weekday, Saturday, SCAT. Today's information, Saturday. What is the day number? 6. Today, what is going to Sunday? It is going to start 0. Tomorrow, if you execute, it will be 0. What is the day number? 01. First November kada. Next is called what? Month name, NOV. Month name, full version. Month number. Year with a short version. Without century, 2025 or 25 only. With a century, that is called 2025. Are you following this? So this is called what? Simplest information about what? Week. Getting me? Week, month, day, all those things. Online students, are you following? Is it clear for you? And nothing is difficult. Dead easy kind of class. Next, I will go to one more kind of thing related to what next? Time related. I want to go for it. Time related. What is the time related? You go for it. Day number, week number, century, local time, etc. It is going to come. Where is the date and time? Here. What is this now? This is called 24 hours format, 12 hours format, AM or PM, minute, all these things I am going to get it. This is H, I, etc. You observe it. In this case, capital H. Okay, this is going to be another program. I will show you. Maybe this part I will show. This one I will go for it. This part I will take it. Go to the new Python program. This is related. Say PY. So here I'm going to take up. Today's date is this one. Hours. What is that? 12 hours. This one. That exactly 12 hours means it is started with what? PM. It is a 12 hours 01 minute. Are you seeing the time there? 12 hours. What is the minute? 01. 01. What is the seconds? 16. What is this now? It is going to be like this. If I execute again, it is going to be changing again here. 01 40. Earlier it was going to be only 16. Are you following me? The local date is going to be something like this. Understand? Very simple. It is a combination of what? Percentage D, percentage M, capital Y. Already we covered here or not? Already we covered here. This one. Percentage D, percentage D, percentage M, percentage Y. That combination will give you what? Local date. Correct? Right. Online students. Now I will go to next. What is the next you see? Some more miscellaneous information directly. Percentage J. What is the percentage J? Day number of the year. Whole year information we are covering. 0012 to 366. 365 also sometimes. So 365th day. Maybe this information I was prepared on last December 31st related. Week number of the year. What is the week number of the year? Sunday is the first day of the week if you consider. That is the 0th day. How many weeks? 52 weeks. Percentage W, capital W if you want. Weekday of the number. Monday is the first day of the week. So this is also 52. Maybe when you come to December week, if you come, there is a chance of some difference is there in the week number. In majority of the cases, it is same. That will be different when you go to December first week, second week, like that. There is some difference. Percentage C, local version of date and time. For getting the local version of the time, I got it what? Percentage I, percentage D, percentage M, like that. Percentage C, local version of the date and time. Monday, that is a Saturday, NOV, and the day, and including time and everything will come. Next is called what? Percentage C, century will be coming, 20th. Percentage X, local version of the date. It is the 12th, 31, and then what? 18. This is called 31 day, 12th month, 2018. Next, percentage X, local version of the time, small x, capital X, time, 24 hours format. This information I want to print it. So how do you go for printing that? I'm going to show you this information here. So here, percentage J, day number. Same. Date and time. Now printed. And week number of the year. Sunday is the first day. Monday is the first day. Local version of the date. Century. Local version of the date. Local version of the time. So this I want to go for local version of the dates. So I'm going to write it. So here I'm writing date, date with what? With, come on, local versions, local versions, local versions example. That is a day number of year versions and all those things. So go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. In this case, I'll go to this place, date and time. You save this kind of thing, go to the place and try to execute. PY, you see that this is my information. Day number of the year. What is the day number? 305 day today. First day of the week, 43, also 43. 43 is a week. Out of 52 weeks, we are in which week? Right. Next, local version of the date and time. Saturday, November 1st, 12 o'clock, 05, 2025. Next is called century, 20, 2025, 20. Local version of the date, 11, month, 01, and this is 0, 25. Local version of the time, same time what you have. Are you following? So, this is going to be another miscellaneous information, date and time. You are going to get it. I think you are having here almost 9 are there. Here almost 6 are there, 15. Here almost 7 are there. Almost 22 format specifiers are there. How you remember, I don't know. Before going to interview, you must remember it. Even interviewer also will not remember because this many. Forgetting, you are the number one. But if you remember, it is going to be great. Okay, na? So try to remember all of them. Online students, are you following this format specifier? What is the function name I am using to do this? Come on. What is the function name I am using? str. Which one? F time. str F time I am using. str F time I am using. So come out of that. Now I am going to use it. One function you got it. str F time you got it. Now I am going to enter into the date and time also you have done it. Date and time also you have done it. But when you come to this date class, what are permitted? What are permitted in this format specifiers? Can you tell me? In this date and time concept, what are permitted? All these things are permitted. What are not permitted? These are not permitted. Why? Date class does not contain time. Date time class contains date and time. So date and time contains all these 22 format specifier. But your date will contain what? This first things only. Our related things are not applicable on date class, but these are available. This is available. You can apply. If you apply, what you will get it? 000 you will get it. Ila vastadi. 0000 like this you will get it. What is this meaning? There is no time is available over there. So if you want to check it once, you can go to this place. This place you see. In this place you see date and time and all those things. You try to carry this. Here I am going to take up. One more kind of thing I am going to take. One I am going to write it. So this is called what? Date. dt. What I will write it? Today I will write it. Today. Date. Today date. Today date. Without time. Without time. Without time. Try to understand. Here I am going to write it. Try to go for it. Here I am going to write date and time. What you got it? Local version of the time. What I got it? 000 we got it. Here local version of the date. Up to here I am getting. November 1st I am getting. But what is not there? Time is not there. What is coming again? 2025 is coming. Earlier is giving what? Time. But in date, what is not there? Time is not there. Are you getting me? Right. Take care about that. Very, very simple. Next, I'm going to enter into the further discussion now. So we got format specifiers and many more things you have done it. Now I'm going to calculate the most important requirement. I'm going to take it. Most important requirement. How to create, how to create your date. How to create your date. How to create your date. I'm going to enter. To create a date, to create a date, come on students, to create a date, we use the following approaches. What is that approach? A1. First approach I'm going to talk. Create an object of which class? Date time class. How do you create? Date time class, tell me. Date time, that is called our own date, is equal to date time dot date time. How do you create an object of student? S is equal to student of. ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు మీకు స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ అంత ఊప్సే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఊప్స్. ఇఫ్ స్టూడెంట్ క్లాస్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇంటూ స్టూడెంట్ మాడ్యూల్, హౌ టు క్రియేట్? ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ student dot. What is the student module? What is the student of? Default constructor. Default constructor. Today, what is the date time module? What is the date time of constructor? Which constructor I am using? Parameterized constructor. That will take what? That will take what? YYY. YYY. That is called first parameter. That is called first parameter, comma, second parameter, dd, what parameter? Third parameter, mm, next is ss, next is called ms. What are the mandatory things you need to write? What are the mandatory things you need to write? Year, month, date. If I don't specify the time, it will be taken as 00 colon 00 colon 00. The midnight 12 o'clock will be taken. Are you following me? So creating date and time is easy or difficult term? Date easy. What is the date and time? Now I will write. Come on, tell me. 2025, 2025, 1. I am going to write it. 1. What is the 2025 1 and 1? January 1st. January 1st. Right. Now I am going to take it. Now I will take it. One more type of time I am going to take it. That is called our date. How to create our own date? I am going to take it. Let us go to this statement here. I will write a new program. So I'm going to write a program for creating our own date. How to create? With which class? With which class? Date time class. With the date time class. Come on, fast. Import date time as a dt, as det. Come on. Our own date. Our date is equal to dt dot date time of 2025 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. What is that? Old date I am creating. So now you print. So our own date is equal to comma our own date, our date. What is the type of our date type? Date and time type. Date and time type. So create it. What is this? Create, date create example1 dot py. Date create example1 dot py. So I'm going to enter. So let us date create example1 dot py. Go to this place. Here I'm going to write it into our location. I will save it. Go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. py. So how to create our date? Date is created with what time? 010101. Are you following? If you want to create your own date in another way, you want to create like this also you can create. Like this also you can create. This is the way, that is the without a time. If we want to create our own date, 1 is equal to, it is going to be like this. I'm going to write what? Something like 17 comma 17 comma 30 comma some 23 I'm writing. What is the 17 comma 30 comma 23 time I'm going to write it? Our own date called like this. So execute it, you print it 17 30 23. So mentioning the hours, minutes, and seconds is optional. So here I created. It is also one of the regular important question. What is the regular important question? How do you create your own date? So I created my own date. The same question, how to create the same program, date create. This is date create example2.py. Go to the new program. Online students, I hope you are following me because this is one of the dead easy class. Not at all difficult today. Easiest class. So here I'm going to take up, save this. In this place, without our date, without date and without time, with the date time class, with the date class, with the date class, creating our own date with the date class only. How do you go for it? Date. What is the constructor? Parameter is the constructor. In that, what you mention? Only year, month, DD. Our own date is created. You cannot create what? This hours you cannot mention it. It is not possible. So I'm going to create. With which class I created? Date class only created. No time is mentioned. This is called a 2.py. 2.py I'm going to take it. So let us go to this place. I will take this, put it into your location. Here I'm going to take it, date and time. So save this example. Here I'm going to write it, run this. Here, py. Here I will take up. This is a date is created. So we understand how to create the date. Creating date is nothing but creating our own date class object. How do you create our normal class object, list object, set object, dict object, date class object, date time class object, mention date. Mentioning hours, minutes, and seconds are optional. Online students up to here, is it clear? Next, I'm going to enter into this is approach number one. Approach number two is what? Approach number two is what? Our date is equal to here you can write it 17 comma 30 comma 45. This is one more way I will create is with date class. Okay, created. This is called date. Only I will write it. So created 2025. This is what we created it. Now, students, finally, next I want to go for most important requirement. Another one is most important. How to calculate? How to calculate difference of difference of two dates? Difference of two dates. Two dates. Difference of two dates. How bankers will calculate the EMI calculation and all. How they will calculate the interest of two periods. In terms of days, they will calculate. In terms of days per day, how much interest is there? They will calculate like that. Shall I do that? How to calculate the difference of two dates? It is also one of the very regular requirement. So what is the first step? What is the first step? Get, come on, get which date? Present date. Second, get old date. Old date. This is called what? PD. Get old date. What is this now? OD. And do what? Find the difference of two dates. Find the difference of two dates. That is called difference is equal to PD minus OD. PD minus OD. Minus operator. Minus operator I will apply. Sleeping. Sleeping. So PD minus OD. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం అదే చాలా రోజుల నుంచి 1 month నుంచి చేసేది అదే నిద్రపోవడమే మన లెక్క అంతా నిద్రపోవడం తినడం నిద్రపోవడం చదువు ఒకటి తక్కువ PD minus OD. PD minus OD. What is the PD present date? Minus what? OD. That will give you the difference of two year minus year, days minus days, months minus minus. That will give you what? Difference. తెలుసా మీకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఎలా తెలిసింది లేదా తెలుసా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ చూడండి వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రజెంట్ డే 2025 కమ్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీబడి లైక్ దిస్ యూ విల్ డూ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ 01 01 వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రజెంట్ మంత్ 11 2025 వాట్ ఇస్ ద డే 1 and 01 what is this now 2025 January 1st November 1st what is the day 0 and what is this now 10 10 and 10 what is this now 0 how many months completed 10 months completed are you following November month and then next month is 2 more months left out to complete this suppose I'm having like this what is that today for example 04 04 for example 11 and next is called what 2025 next is called what 20 01 2025 2025 now how to do it Here, what is this now? DD, our normal mathematics. And then what? YYY. So you will 0 4 months, days, 20 days. Not possible to do subtraction. Borrow 1 month. 1 month means how many days? 30 days. Why 30 days you are taking? Because these are the days. Are you getting it? 1 month you are borrowing. When you borrow 30 days, 1 month, 30 plus 4, how much? 34. 34 minus 20, 14. What is the months available here? 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9, 9. What is this now? 0, 0. So how many months? 9 months and 14 days. This 9 months also will be converted into what? Days into 30. Into 30 plus what? 14 into 14. 270. 270. 270 అనేది plus 14. What is this now? 284. Something like that. You will get it. Are you getting it? So like that, that will be given in the form of difference of 2 days. It will be coming in the form of days. So difference will be in the form of what? Days. If you want the days in months, what you will get it? Months is equal to ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? If you want to see in months, what you will do it? Days ను months లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఏం చేస్తారు? ముద్దు డేస్ 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 divided by what is that? 30. 30. 30. You will get what? Integer coefficient. 284 days of what? 30. You will get some number of months or not? How do you get years? How do you get years? Come on. What is this? You will get it. Months. Months divided by what? 12. 12. You will get what? Years. You will get like this also. By default, what will be coming? Difference in where? Days. Days to be converted into what? Months. Years to be months to be converted into what? Like this you can do. Are you getting? 12 into 3, you will get it what? 360 also you can do. Directly days into what? Years. Are you getting it? Something like that you will take. So I'm going to take this calculation. I'm going to do it. Shall we go for now? Let us start. How to find the difference between two dates? Two dates I will create, but present date also I will create. Two examples I'm going to show you. Let us, all of you, try to understand me how to do this calculation here. So two dates I'm going to create. Difference between two dates I'm going to take up. So very, very easy. So go to the same thing, calculate this, and I'm going to take up. You take this one, go to this. Difference between date difference calculation. Difference calculation example 1.py. Example 1.py. 2025. This is called which date? One date. One date. That is called date 1. I will say D1. One more date I will create. What is the date I will create? 2025. 2024. I will take it. For example, 1 I will take it for easy calculation. 2024, 1 I took it. 2025, 1 I take it. So what is the difference? Difference is equal to which one is the recent date? D1 minus what? D2 I will take it. D2. D1 minus D2. D1 minus D2. What is the difference is going to come? Difference between difference between difference between two dates. Difference between two dates is equal to comma what? DIF. Difference I will write it. So calculate this. So this I will do this. Go to this place. Execute. PY. You will get in terms of what I said. Days are, months are, years are. Days. So you are going to get how many days? 366 days are coming. If you calculate, February month may be having 1 day extra. You are going to get like this. If you want to get it in months, you can get it. If you want to get it in years, also you can get it. Are you following? So you are understanding difference between these two dates. Now, if you want the same kind of thing with the timing and all those things, if you want to get it with the timing and all, with the present date, you want to do it. Present day, 2.py. So today I don't want to take it. I want to take it as what is equal to today. I'm going to write it with the present to today's date. I want to find out. What is that now? This I need to write D2 minus D1. Bigger date minus smaller date you need to write. Difference between two dates is equal to today and this old day. How many days you are going to get it? You try to observe it. Difference in calculation you are getting it. So you are going to get 2.py. So you are going to get it as no. Okay. This is called what? Date time. This is date time as dt today. Dt dot day. This is I need to write date.today. Verify. Date is a class. In that we are having class level method. That is the difference you are going to get it. What happens? Go to that dt dt dot date dot today. Date is a class present in which module? dt module. dt module. Okay. Go there. Py. You execute this. You are getting how many days? 304 days are over. 304. Calculation తెలుసు కదా. I already said to you how to do that calculation. So this is what you are getting the difference in that days. This is in terms of what? Simply without a time. If you want with the time, if you want with the time, if you want, what you can do, you can carry this with the date and time you want to get it. So here I will take it. Here I'm going to take it. This is called date time. Date time. Here also I'm writing date time. What I will do, here I'm going to write it. Come on, I'm writing here 17, comma 30, comma 45. Here I'm writing 16, comma 30, and what 45. What is this? Hours, minutes, and then what? Seconds. So D1 minus what? D2. This is with what? 3.py. 3.py with a date time class. With a date time class. How to do this? Also we are going to get it. Also we are going to get it. Py, you are going to get it. This is what is coming? 366 days. What is that? 1 hour difference is there. For easy calculation purpose, I am giving the time also in terms. If you want, present day, if you want, present day, if you want, present day. How do you take present day? Now what? Today now. 4.py. 4.py. This is D2. I will take what? DT dot. Hmm. Date time dot now. Now I will take it. D2 minus what? D1. Difference between two dates. Execute. And one important point I would like to say after this. Execute. Here you write it 4.py. So presently 303 days. What? 18, 59, 09 like this. Earlier what? 304 days came. But including what? 18 hours. అంటే 4 hours అవుతే it is 304 days it will be. Are you following me? That means up to evening 5 o'clock it will be 304 days. So if I execute it, it is going to be something like this 303 only. Are you getting or not? So I think students, you are understanding with accurate difference you want to get it, you will be going for something like this. So 303. So like this here, what is going to be different? Difference is having seconds, milliseconds difference is going to be there. After a few more minutes, it is going to be 56. 303. It is going to become something like what? 19. This is going to become. It is 59, become 60. It is becoming 19 here. Are you following this? So this is called difference between. The difference is there now. This is a variable of which type I am going to write it. Type of difference variable object is equal to type of difference, which is called a time delta. What is that class name? Time delta class of date time module. So time delta, which is also one important question in the interview point of view. What is a time delta? Time delta is nothing but difference between two dates. It is our set notation. S1 delta S2. S1 delta S2 సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్ లో చెప్పాను. సో S1 యూనియన్ S2 మైనస్ S1 ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ S2 difference. That is called a delta notation. That's why this is a time delta they are taking it. Which module? Daytime. Online students, are you following? Are you following or confusing? Are you following or any confusion here? So I think you are following my discussion. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to enter into one more discussion here. One more discussion I'm going to make it. Sometimes you are going to get the data in terms of what strings you are going to get it. This is which times you are getting difference between these dates in terms of what you are getting. Date time difference. Either a date difference or date time difference you are going to get it. Sometimes you are going to get like this. Very, very important. I will go to like this. You try to observe it. I'm going to introduce one more type of function. Beautiful. This is program for creating, or this is called program for creating our own str date with a date time class. With a date time class or date class, that is all depends on our requirement. This is called a 5 dot date time. You take it. I am going to take it. In this case, try to understand two dates you take it. First you remove everything. This is the one. Now I'm going to take it. str date 1 date 1 is equal to what is today's date? 20, 2025. Come on, 11 and 1. This is what date? str type. str date 2 is equal to what is this now? You take in another way. This is present date you are taking in which type? str type. Suppose you are taking 1 0 1. Next is called 2025. And whatever. What is this first one? D. M. What is this? Year. What is this? Year, month, day. It is your choice. Okay, first plain గా చెప్పేస్తాను మీకు 2025 1 and 1 like this I'm having. Which format it is in? YYY MM DD. This is also YYY MM and then DD. Now I want to convert it into, I cannot write str date minus str date 2 minus str. ఇలా రాయలేం మనం. str date 2 date 1 minus str date 2. You cannot do. You cannot do like this because string minus string is always gives you what type error. So I have to convert into which type? If I want to do the difference of two dates, I have to convert into which type? Date type I have to convert. Yes or no? So for that, we will use one function name called what here, strptime అని ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చెప్పాను ఇక్కడ. strptime. Are you following? strptime. strptime I need to go for it. How to do that? Now I'm going to use it. Go there. You cannot do this. This is called difference. You cannot do. You will get error. You will get error. So this is called 5.py. This is called 5.py. 5.py. You try to do, students. Py. This you will get it what? What error? Type error. Operand. Unsupported operation minus str you cannot do. It is a very regular requirement, students. Go there. Come on now. Do what? Convert. Convert str date into datetime object by using what? strptime. So strptime function. Come on now. Date d1 is equal to, come on, dt dot what is that? Datetime dot strptime of strptime is a class level method of which class? Datetime class of which module? dt is an alias name of that. What is that, ma? str date 1 అలా రాసుకుంటూ you will write that parameter. It is in what format? It is in what format? 2025. What is the 2025? Percentage capital Y. Percentage capital Y. After that, which symbol is there? Hyphen. Hyphen. Percentage, what I will write? M. What is the percentage M? What is the percentage M? Already చెప్పాను కదా. Already percentage M. Already I said you this percentage M to you. Python date and time. Percentage small m. It is called what? Month. Percentage m. Percentage y. Full version. EV. I will use this format specifier. Okay. Come on. Hyphen. Because hyphen is there. What is that? Percentage D. This is the one. Whatever the format is available, you need to write like this. Okay. Suppose I'm having ila undi anukondi. Ila undi. How do you write that one? Come on. Go to this place. It is called what? D2. Date dot this one. str day2. Come on. Capital Y slash. What is the next? Slash. Are you following? Suppose if it is like this you will write. Okay, no issue. And then now do what? Convert it into which type? Datetime type. Type of D1. Type of D2. Type of D2. Which type they are? Which type they are? Datetime type, datetime type. That I will do what? Difference. Come on, do difference. Difference is equal to bigger minus smaller. Bigger minus smaller. D1 minus D2. D1 minus D2. Difference. Difference between two dates is equal to, comma what? Difference. Execute. So what is happening? 304 days. Got it. Are you getting? Palakanda Modu. Right. Online students. మీ పేరు మొద్దని చెప్పకండి బయట. నేను అట్లా పిలిస్తేనే మీరు బాగా పలుకుతున్నట్టుంది. మామూలుగా మాట్లాడితే పలికేటట్లేదు. సో online students, are you following this? This is a very important requirement. For example, I will write a program. Enter your date of birth. You will enter the date of birth. You will read with input function or not? input function. Your date of birth, present date I will take. Between the two dates is called your age or not? Hmm. Yes. So, suppose you are going to upload some type of application form where your age is required 18 years above, 18 years plus. When you enter your date of birth and present date of birth, if it is more than 18 years, then only it is allowed to process the application. Otherwise, it will say invalid, they will say. Invalid age, they will say. So, that time this type of calculation required. Understood? Huh? Right. Now, this is called, suppose if this is like this, student, one, one, and next is called one, like this, I'm going to write it, 2025. For example, how do you write that time? Mirena sir, come on, what you will write? Percentage D slash percentage M slash percentage capital Y, capital Y. That also will give you the same answer. Okay, now? So this is called converting what to what? String date into date. Regular requirement is going to come. Suppose ఇక్కడ మళ్ళా అవర్స్ కూడా ఉంది, అవర్స్. వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ అగైన్? యూ విల్ సే స్పేస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ హెచ్ hours related format specifiers are there or not? That you will take it. That difference also. Majority of the times you will get this type of format conversions only. Getting me? Right. Online students. Next I'm going to enter into date is there. That is a which time? Date time type. I want to convert into which type? String date I want to convert. String date. This is called which type? str date to str date to date time. Now I want to get it. What is the function name? strptime. P time. Now I want to get back to what? Date time to what? For that, I will go for ISO format. What is that? ISO format. Datetime.iso format you will use. ISO format you will use. So that part you will be seeing that. So Python date and time. In this case, I'm writing almost all the discussion in the class. So the difference between the two dates. So how do you go for that? I'm almost giving the same explanation here. Everything is there. Everything is available here. So correct date to this place. So I'm going to take up. You will be going for applying any date format is there. Okay, here only it is available. What is that? Convert date to what? String. From date to which class? Date class. What is that now? Calling today function, which will give you what? Today date. Date dot or date time dot. Which one? ISO format. Of what? Today. Today. I will be getting into str format. So go to next one. I'm going to write the last one. Go to the next one. Here I'm going to take up program for converting date time to str date time. str date time. Come on. From date time, import date time as what? dt. Something dt. That is the class name I'm taking. Today date is equal to dt dot now. Now. What is this now? Today date is equal to type is equal to dot format of td type of what? td. td. So I'm going to write it date to date, date, time to date, time to which type? str type dot py. So let us save this now. Going to take it, execute. I'm going to take it py. So I'm going to take it what happens? One more bracket. So you are getting it. Which type this is? Date time. Today's date. Now go. What is this now? std is equal to string date is equal to mm, dt dot. What is the format? ISO format is equal to TD. TD. What is the TD? Date time object. Of which one I am converting into? STD. What is the DT? Is a class name, alias name, dot like that. Printer. What is the type? What is the printer? Today's date type. What is this now? STD. This is STD. Which type STD is? Chappandi Babu. STR. Same answer only. Which type it is? STR. Something is missing here. 2025. 01. And this T. Maybe. Time it is. It is saying that it is some time. Something is there. T is coming. This is called some time. It is mentioning that it is a time. In middle of it, what is it? Some letter T is available. That is called some time it represents. Which time I got it? Date time to this one. So I know how to convert date into string, string into date, and calculation of difference in that. I gave you complete information here. Whatever is explained, all those things are available. So here, complete information is available. Major important thing is what questions will come, how many ways are there to create a date and time. How many ways? Two ways. One is with the time, one more is without time. Without time, date class, today function. With the time, now function, date time class. Difference between two dates, you know how to calculate. And the difference between two strings also, you know how to calculate. And almost all those things. Minus operator you applied. With the date class, how to perform. With the date time class, how to perform the difference. You got it, I hope so. Clear or not clear? So now I will be stopping this. This is a very short concept. I will upload this document for you. Try to read out carefully. And that is Monday class. I'll be starting multi-threading. I will start multi-threading. Multi-threading. This will take 3 days. The next 3 days, I will take regular expression. And Monday to Saturday, our class will be next Saturday. By this time, Janaganamana song I will play. Okay. So you need to attend the previous class now. So don't miss the tomorrow's class. So let's stop now. Right. Thank you. Carry on. Comment. Try to go through it carefully. Right. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. Online students, if you have any doubts, you hold on. I'll send you this document. Try to go through it carefully.